Welcome to our channel. To access free movies and TV shows together using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your streaming device and ensure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you don't have it, install it from your device's official app store. Step 3. Tap on the URL field in the downloader app to activate the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Enter the combined movies and TV downloader code. Type it exactly as shown. Step 5. Press Go to initiate the download. The all-in-one app will start downloading. Step 6. Once the download is finished, click Install when the installation screen appears. Step 7. Launch the app and explore both movies and TV shows in one convenient platform. Step 8. Switch seamlessly between watching movies and binge-watching TV series, all completely free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.